Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how peaches are processed, from fresh farm harvest to perfectly canned peaches.
These are looking good for the morning shipment.
Definitely nice color on these ones.
Our precision cutting systems are calibrated to ensure every slice is uniform, guaranteeing consistent quality throughout the process. Every can is filled to maintain perfect taste and freshness.
Every can is inspected before leaving the plant.
And that's how canned peaches are made, or paid, from farm fresh fruit to shelf-ready cans.